video is one of a series covering the released Ohio State math questions between 2017 and 2023. Welcome to Dr. Tarazi's math site. Expressions and equations make up 17% of the test questions, 7 to 9 questions out of an average of 48 questions. Use properties of operations to generate equivalent expressions. Standard 7.EE.1. Apply properties of operations as strategies to add, subtract, factor, and expand linear expressions with rational coefficients.
Hello and welcome. Here is what you need to know before we get to the examples.
I highly recommend that you watch first adding and subtracting rational numbers, multiplying and dividing rational numbers in the two previous videos that I made about the number system. Very important to do that before you go through this video.
Distributive property.
I wanted to remind you of this important property, and you will see all of the problems we're solving today use distributive property, and unfortunately some students still make mistakes using distributive property. So when you have this parenthesis here and you want to remove the parentheses, we use what we call distributive property. So we have to multiply 2 times 3x plus, that gives you 6x. Now some students put plus 5 here, is wrong. They forget to multiply 2 by 5. Positive times positive is positive, plus 10. Another example, 2 times 3x is 6x. Now positive times negative is negative 10. When you don't have a sign, that means there's a positive here. Here is another example. Negative 2 times 3x, that's positive, okay? No sign means positive. That's negative 6x. Negative times negative, excuse me, is positive, plus 10. Here, when there's nothing here, that means there's 1, okay? There's 1. That's 7 times 1. So 7x plus 14. Here, sometimes they put the number here, or what you have to do is just bring it back to the other side, or you can do like this, 6x plus 10. Sometimes you have 3 terms here, it's very rare, but if you have the case, then you have to do 3 terms now, okay? That's it. Now we're ready to see the examples.
Recommendation.
To make the most of these videos, I suggest pausing the video when you see this button, solving the problem, and then resuming the video to check your answer.
Example 1.
In this example, select the two expressions that are equivalent to this expression. The key word here is the two expression. Pay attention to that, because if you only find one, you get partial point. So you can't really guess from here. Again, this example and all the examples we're doing today, they are calculator neutral, so they don't need a calculator. They will not let you use a calculator. So here we have to do like this. So 4 times 1/8 is 1/2. That would be 1/2 x. 4 times plus 4 minus 1 is minus 4. Now negative, I'm trying to find this cursor, I don't know why it appears suddenly here. Negative 1/2 times 2/3, that gives you negative times positive, negative 2 over 6, 1/3 x. Negative times negative is positive, 6 divided by 2, so plus 3. Okay, so half x minus 4 minus 1/3 x plus 3. Look, is it somewhere here? It looks like that's it right here. But they said there's another one we have to find, so we need to continue our simplification. 1/2 x minus 1/3 x, adding fractions, you have to make a common denominator, and you get the answer will be 1/6 x minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. and it happens to be right here. Okay.
Example 2.
Create an expression equivalent to 4 times 2x minus 1 plus 3 times 1/2 x plus 5. Okay. Again, 4 times 2x is 8x plus 4 times negative 1, negative 4. 3 times 1/2 plus 3 over 2x plus 3 times plus 5 plus 15, okay? So you get this answer. You can use it, it's fine, as an answer. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, you can add these two here. 8x means 16 over 2, and 3 over 2, that's 19 over 2x. And then minus 4 plus 15, when you are adding a number, a negative number and a positive number, you always subtract them and you put the sign of the one with the largest absolute value. So 15 minus 4 is 11, and 15 happens to be bigger than 4, so the sign is plus. You can give this one as an answer, and you're good.
Example 3.
Create an expression equivalent to this expression using the least number of terms. So they want it to be this in simplest form, okay? So let's do that. Very simple. Like this. So minus 5 times 2x. 2x is positive. Negative times positive is negative. Negative 10x. Negative times negative is positive. Plus 30. Plus times 3, that's when there's nothing before the x, that means there's 1, okay? That's plus 3x. Positive times negative, negative 15. So that's first step, 10x plus 30 plus 3x minus 15, like terms now. Now you have negative 10x plus 3x. Two terms, one is negative, one is positive, you have to subtract. You get a 7x. But what is the sign of it? Is the sign of the one with the largest absolute value, which is negative here. So you get negative 7x. 30 minus 15 plus 15.
Example 4.
Create an expression equivalent to the same question, similar question. Okay, again you do the distributive property. Now watch it here. When you have a negative here, when you have negative, all what you have to do is change the signs of all these terms, okay? All these terms. That's what we sign. Negative, we change this to a positive, we change this to a negative. This you can also consider as if you have a 1 here, okay? And you do the distributive property. Now, 10x plus 3x is 13x. Both are positive, we add them. Minus 30 and minus 5, both are negative. We add them and keep the sign.
Example 5.
Create an expression equivalent to this expression using similar question. Okay. Now, here you have to do only here the distributive property. There's nothing to do in here. Okay, there's nothing to do here. So you get 6x minus 2 minus 3x plus 4. Like terms, 6x minus 3x, 3x. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 2.
Example 6.
Select the 3 expressions that are equivalent to this given expression. You can't really guess here. You can try your luck. So key point is 3 expression, okay? So I know there's 3 answers here. So let's start with the expression here. So again, okay, I will wait on here. So minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6x. Here, if there's nothing before the parentheses, it's more like if there's a 1, so nothing happened. You just could just remove the parentheses. Plus 5x minus 2. So Is it one of the cancers here? Let's see. Minus 8x plus 6x plus 5 minus 2. Minus the plus 6x plus 5x is right here. Continue now. So I'm going to add these two together. I get minus 8 plus 11x minus 2. Is it one of them here? Right here. Now I'm going to add these two terms. So I get 11x minus 10. 11x minus 10 is this one here. So you need to do the work, okay? Don't try to guess. You just need to do the work.
Thank you, and see you soon.
Thank you for watching. If you would like to have a copy of the PowerPoint presentation, please leave your email address in the comments section, and we will be happy to email you a copy. Thank you for watching. More videos to come. Please subscribe.